after the cloud came into the technology, one of the most important powerful features of the cloud computing is nothing but the on-demand resource provisioning. This means that we can rent resources like servers, storage exactly when you need them, and we can release them when we don't use them. So this flexibility not only saves our money but also allows our infrastructure to meet our business requirement, and it is also known as elasticity. So let us understand this with an example. Like earlier we discussed that during Flipkart Big Billion Days and the Amazon Great Indian Sale, the traffic is very high. So when the traffic is very high, we need to scale up our resources to handle that traffic. And when there are no sales, we need to scale down the we need to scale down when there is no that much traffic. So with cloud computing, we are only paying for what we use. So making it as a very cost-effective solution for all business, for all sizes. So so these are the advantages. Like we can say advantages of the cloud. Rate capital expenses for variable expenses. So capital expense is nothing but company invest on infrastructure like physical servers, hardware, routers, switches, etc. Whereas in variable expenses in cloud, we use pay-as-you-go model. In this model, we pay for only those resources we have used. So we don't pay for the entire infrastructure. So this saves very huge amount when compared with the capital expenses. So benefit from massive economy of scale. So we can stop guessing capacity. As we discussed earlier, that we can't guess the traffic during the sales. So in cloud, when there is a huge traffic, we can scale up the resources. When there is less traffic, we can decrease the resources. So that is about guessing capacity. So when it comes to increase speed and agility, so uh, in traditional IT setups, whenever we want to add some resources, it takes weeks to add resources. But in cloud, we can add those resources in just a minute. And also, we can stop spending money and maintaining data centers. So these maintaining a data center requires a lot of money. So when it's come to cloud, we don't require to maintain data centers because it already managed by AWS. Also, we can grow global in minutes. So like for example, when if you want to uh, launch a website, so using cloud, we can launch a website within minutes. So these are the advantages of the cloud. So Amazon Web Services is AWS. AWS is a leading cloud service provider in the world when we compare with other cloud service providers like Azure and GCP, Google service, Google cloud provider. So as we discussed earlier that AWS has more than 200 plus services. AWS is reliable, it is also secure and cost effective. So this entire course is all about AWS. You will learn more about AWS as we go further in this course. So what are the best path to learn AWS? So in cloud application, they make use of multiple AWS services. So there is no single path to learn these services independently. Like first you need to learn S3, then EC2, then EBS, then ELB and ECS. There is no a single path. We can learn however we want, but in this course we have worked out a very simple path. So setting up AWS account. So we will see how we need to set up an AWS account in a practical video.